Today I'm going to speak about one of the greatest player of all time. Some of us know him as Thala and some of us know him as Captain Cool, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Born on 7 July 1981 in Ranchi, Jharkhand, a boy who started as a goalkeeper for his school football team and ended up as one of the most successful cricket captains of all time. MS Dhoni's transformation from a small town boy to a cricket legend is indeed remarkable. So today we are going to learn 5 life lessons from Captain Cool. The first life lesson is resilience. An eternal optimist, he never allowed early failures to derail him from his chosen track. Dhoni scored a duck on his ODI debut against Bangladesh in 2004, yet went on to become one of the India's most successful captains. He led India to 27 Test victories and more than 160 ODI victories. He is the World Cup, T20 and Champions Trophy winner. It shows that we should not let failures bring us down. We should be resilient and bounce back from problems. Second life lesson is dare to take a risk and stand by it. In 2008, during CB series, Dhoni dropped 3 senior players from the team. Selectors warned him that he may lose captaincy if India loses the CB series, as Dhoni knew that it was the need of the hour to make a younger team for World Cup, as fielding had become an integral part of modern cricket. And these players were little slow fielders. He took the risk and it paid off as India won against the mighty Australia. It shows that you can't disrupt the system if you can't take risks. And if you want to grow, you need to make some bold decisions irrespective of the consequences. Third life lesson is handling pressure. Cricket is a religion in India. Playing for India is a pride but brings tremendous pressure. And when you are the captain of the team, then you are under axe all the time. MS Dhoni was the rare who brought many laurels to the team. Staying calm under pressure has brought him the nickname Captain Cool. He stays always calm and never lose his temper in any game. This shows that you should be calm in tough situations and handle the pressure with ease and calmness. Fourth life lesson is managing success. MS Dhoni has all the major trophies in his kitty. There are few who gets to see such height in career, and there are fewer who can stay humble in success like him. He guided Team India to victory single-handedly on many occasions, but yet stayed grounded and also invoked opponents' respect. He never let success to his head and failure to his heart. Here we can learn that many who achieve success become arrogant, but he shows that we should be grounded and acknowledge our success and set out for bigger targets. And the last life lesson is taking ownership. Dhoni always owns up and takes decisions based on the situation. The 2011 World Cup final, where he promoted himself up the order even though there were informed players like Yuvraj Singh and Suresh Raina, but he was confident of facing spin of Muttiah Muralitharan better than these players, and he went on to score 91 not out that day and won the World Cup for the Team India. This life lesson tells us that we should take ownership of our mistakes and decisions early on and act on our strengths that will help us to achieve our goals. At the end of the video, I want to say that MS Dhoni's story is a truly remarkable one. His cricketing acumen, sportsmanship, and complete commitment to the country and the team make him an enduring role model for now and always, and he will always remain our Captain Cool.